This is login window. This is your dashboard. Multiple useful option is open. Some of option in menu bar. You can create your product. This is example product. You can create your barcode also. Upload Excel with the image. This is your sales window, and you can create tax invoice, estimate, delivery challan, sales return, issue stock, quotation, pro forma invoice, sale order from this single window. There is a multiple filter, search option, number of search, cancellation. You can create your company from this, like this. You can create your product also from this window. This, see, multiple option in printing, 58 invoice, 80 invoice, A4 invoice, A5 invoice. This is your supplier. Purchase invoice you can enter, estimate you can enter, purchase return, receive stock, and purchase order. You can also create your supplier from this window, like this. See, it's generated. Supplier documentation number also you can enter. Yes. This is report window. Multiple report. Sale summary report, sale item wise, category of report, mini report for thermal printer, purchase summary, purchase GST invoice report, stock report. You can get each report in Excel, PDF, and Word format. There is multiple filter. This is account. Thanks for watching.